This video is as real as our fur coats. Alina and I are unboxing our new beautiful furs, sharing our genuine reactions, laughs, and beautiful excitement, while we talk openly about fur and what it means to us. Stay and watch this video because we have a little gift for you if you guess the question we ask in this video.
Okay, come closer. Why are you shy?
I'm shy.
No, you're not shy.
Okay.
Hello, my lovely fur lovers, and I'm here today with my Ukrainian bestie, Alina.
Hi.
Thank you
Hi,
for joining us.
everyone. It's nice to meet Nora's followers and to be part of her vlog.
Her fur community, and actually, she's a bit of a fur goddess herself as well.
Oh,
Is that right?
yeah, I am since I'm a kid, I would say. So it's something basic. Before, like it's right now popular to say before it became mainstream, I used to wear the fur. So since it's now so popular, I feel like, okay, it's
So
time.
You've been wearing fur since you were 6 years old.
Yeah, because it's something normal with the cold weather.
Was fur something that everybody wore in Ukraine?
Not everybody, but my family likes gold, likes fur, so why not? I
So
was
your
wearing
family
that.
had good taste.
Yeah, I used to have my first fox hat and fox jacket when I was 6. And then only I think when I became 14 and I said to my mom, no, I don't want to be wearing fur anymore. That's not cool.
Oh, why?
Yeah, because back, like, it's something that people were bullying you for wearing fur, like just the normal plastic jacket was more popular. And so, yeah,
So you're
I
telling me
wanted to switch.
polyester back then was more popular?
Yeah, it's just like something that right now even the society is trying to push on us that it's not cool, but we all know the
It's always
truth.
been timeless.
Yeah,
And if you wear like those plastic jackets, especially, I don't know if you've seen the black ones.
yeah.
Everybody has like these black Aritzia bomber jackets. They think it's like the coolest thing on earth, but it's not.
Yeah, and what's worse than that is these plastic jackets with the fake fox fur on
Oh
top.
my gosh.
This is just too
Because they
much.
want to have like the feeling of fur,
Exactly.
but with fake fur. Like, why are they not
Exactly.
wearing real fur? Why?
Honestly, the idea of our today's filming is that I would say is that real fur is way more affordable than right now all this plastic stuff.
That's true. I've seen a lot of like polyester jackets being so insanely priced. I don't know what
Yeah.
for. It was just the power of branding and having like this cool brand.
Yeah.
But real fur, you can get a beautiful vintage fur coat that is so lovely at a much more affordable price. So you're very right for bringing that up.
Exactly. For example, Kylie Jenner last year she was selling the fake fur was like 2,000 and a half American dollar.
I don't know if you've seen the paparazzi pictures from Kylie Jenner when she goes to Aspen with her family skiing. They're always wearing real fur. They have an amazing real fur collection,
Yeah.
but what they sell to their fans is faux fur.
Exactly.
Why are they doing that?
I think it's exactly happening what was happening back at my childhood when they're trying to show us what we have to follow.
It's like telling people what they should wear and what they
Yeah.
think is cool, but it's not cool. And instead of following the trends, follow your own style and follow what's timeless. So today we have a special package arriving from Ukraine, and we each have our own fur coats that we chose. So whoever can guess the price of our fur coats, the closest person who can get to it, maybe you might not get the real accurate number, we're going to send you a beautiful gift just for you. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Because you guys are going to be shocked when you see these beautiful fur prices.
Exactly. And we're here to prove once again that everyone can afford the fur coats, especially with the prices right now for everything fake.
Yeah.
So
prices of fake fur are actually a lot higher than prices of real fur as well. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen the new trend with Erin Andrews at the NFL game. Her fur coat, I believe, was like 900 US dollars. And that's polyester. There's nothing to it.
Exactly.
It's just colored fur, and it's made in a way to look like real fur, but it's fake.
Yeah.
So before we start, as I'm a good host for my fur lover, we're gonna open a little bottle of champagne.
bubbly. Okay.
There's nothing more beautiful than beautiful women enjoying their moment, opening a beautiful fur package.
Ooh.
And this is the fur goddess style. If you wear fur, you experience fur.
Yeah.
So, as a welcome to our fur goddess here, Alina. So, what should we say? Should we say cheers?
Cheers.
So, how do we say cheers in Ukrainian again?
Ура.
Ura?
Ura. I want to do a toast
Okay, do a toast.
to Nora and her beautiful followers, because only real, good, beautiful people knows the value of beautiful things. So to Nora and her pure army.
Well,
Pure
that's
love
so
and army.
sweet. So I'll tell you guys a little secret about me. I don't really have a lot of friends. I have Alina as my bestie. And how I met her was actually through her business. She came to Canada about 2.5 years ago. And not even being a full year in the country, she started this beautiful business. I remember I met her and I just love her dedication. I love her resilience. Like, she just came out of this war-torn country. She literally came in with full force, started a beautiful business. I think it's safe to say it's time to open up the package.
I'm extremely excited. I couldn't sleep last night because
So
I
she-
received the package yesterday, guys, and like the power in me to open that package,
I was
it's just for
texting
you.
her.
I was
I
holding
was texting
myself.
you cannot open this package. We have to do this video.
So
It's
let's
just for
open
you.
it.
So let's
Just
do
for
it.
you.
I'm super, super excited. And I'm going to show you guys how she stored this package, okay? You might have already seen this from my previous vlog, but she is actually the friend who gifted me a Birkin, but she herself also has an iconic Birkin.
Look at that. Look at that.
Look at that beauty right
You
here.
have to stay in the Hermes shops forever to get this one. This bag.
Now, even if you had the real Birkin, even if you had the real actual bag, I don't think it could fit all of this stuff. Like,
Yours.
2 fur coats are inside this, reusable to the max, even more than the actual Birkin itself.
Yeah.
So there you
Don't
go.
buy the Lorama bags. Buy this. Buy Birkin.
It's just iconic. Like, you're gonna walk everywhere and it's like, okay, she's got a Birkin.
No, and first of all, people notice this small things and they always like comment on this. They're like, oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow, where did you get this? This is so cute. I never thought this even can exist, but there you
Okay,
go.
it's time to unbox it because my hand is getting tired carrying it. Okay, so how are we gonna open this?
Okay, so I think scissors is a no. 'Cause
Oh,
it's kind of
absolutely not.
dangerous. But with we do,
It's too close.
okay, push it. Wow.
Ooh. We don't know who's got who, so I could have her fur coat, she could have my fur coat.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ready?
No. Oh.
It's so beautiful, girl.
Oh my gosh. What do you got? The fact that we opened our package and we have exactly what we
Yeah.
ordered. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, look at that.
Oh my goodness. Oh my, the feeling, the
Right?
feeling, the softness.
How light it is. Yours light?
Mine has a bit, okay, let me carry yours. Yours is a bit lighter.
I
Softness.
think it's because yours made on the leather.
mine
Yeah,
is
it's made
mine
on
has
the
the
leather.
leather,
Yes.
but yours, it has the same feeling of my Bobcat cave.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it on. Let's put it on.
Okay. Everyone get ready.
Oh,
It's a showtime.
oh my God. Okay, show us your fur. You look stunning. What I love about yours is you have this like white lining.
There's 3 different models for like for the bobcats, but I chose exactly this with the white lining. I don't know why
suits
it's just given this like perfect line with this white.
It suits you so well because you already
Yeah.
have like this beautiful blonde. This is stunning. You have beautiful
Yeah.
blonde hair, beautiful green eyes, and the way this is like,
Yeah,
it suits you
this
so well.
and this.
I
here
can't see
too.
myself.
This is like wow, I love this. Like this things how it's given
Texture.
the texture and it's making this.
shade. So you know how I already have my silver fox? I don't know if you've
Yeah.
seen me wear it. It's actually what I was wearing when I
Yeah,
came
today.
in. Yeah, but what I have is patchwork. I don't have like a full fur pelt.
Yeah, this is what I love. This big front, it's like, I love this.
Because this is something
so
a lot of
given.
you were telling me, like, girl, why do you only have patchwork? Like, you deserve a full fox coat. So here we go. We got it. But look at your coat.
Ah,
I love this lining. And by the way, it's perfect measurement. Like, we didn't send our measurements. This is all one size.
yeah,
Was yours one size too?
as it's XS
So extra small to medium.
and yours the same.
Oh, the fact that it fits
so
you just from the sleeves. I don't know if you guys can see this detail here, but there's like these nice linings that gives it this clean cut if you actually turn. But she has that in here, and it's nice and sculpted. It's not like a full one coat. It actually fits nice with the silhouette of her beautiful feminine body. I love to feel Bobcat. Bobcat has this like amazing texture.
It's so soft, you guys.
This is exactly the moment that you put on your fur coat with your bestie.
Ooh, look how gorgeous.
One word, since we just put on this new fur coat, how do you feel?
I feel rich.
As you should.
I
As you
feel
should.
gorgeous. I feel like I rule the world. I feel like that's it. I own my life. I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna get all these looks. And I'm gonna be like, yeah, it is a bobcat.
She's a boss.
Yeah.
I always say real women wear real fur. And I feel like when you wear real materials, it has this aura to it.
Yeah.
And it's something that
100%.
you can walk in the street, just minding your own business, maybe in the grocery store, and everyone's gonna look at you.
Exactly. I wear my fur everywhere here, and I'm catching a lot of ice, like literally. And so many comments, like some people that they're in even on the phone. Like yesterday, I went to do my hair, and there was this girl. She was on the phone, literally talking to someone business, and she just looked at me and she just did like this.
Oh my gosh.
I just couldn't understand because she showed me like this and she just like talked to me just like that. And I'm like, oh my God. It's like, you understand how much important people want to do that comment to you that
Yeah.
even when they're busy, they still like adore what you wear.
Fur coats has this presence, and I would say like buying a designer bag does not compare to anything like buying a beautiful fur coat. I always
Wow.
liked silver fox. Like silver fox is one thing that if you wear it and the wind is blowing, it looks different from all angles.
Yeah.
Like the strand is like somehow black and silver, all in the same color. So that's why it becomes like this burst of colors.
So guys, Nora soon gonna make fur affordable for everyone. Stay in there. Everyone will be able to buy the fur.
Everybody's gonna be able to buy fur. A fun fact for you guys, these fur coats are actually made in
Greece.
Yeah. And what is it that you told me about Greece and their furs? You told me something about it.
Yeah, so basically Greece is the biggest fur hub in the world. That's where all the biggest manufacturers of fur are located. This is actually really weird to believe because Greece, really?
It's not a winter country.
Exactly. But all the biggest manufacturers, all the biggest plants are in Greece. The quality is way higher than anywhere else in the market.
But seriously, guys, like the only furs that I have ever owned were always Canadian, North American style. But I've always had a love for the European silhouette. I feel like all these designer homes like Christian Dior and Yves Saint Laurent, when they used to make their own fur coats, they always had this like big opulent style. And in North America, that's not really what we make here. It's more quiet, more like the clean mink look. But this fur coat is exactly what I wanted. Like if I want to buy a fur coat from Ukraine, made in Greece, like this is it right here.
Yeah, that's the place to go. I love it.
I wish we could have a mirror and I wish you could see yourself right
Yeah,
now.
me
Like
too.
we're only seeing ourselves from this little camera thing, but you look so stunning.
Thank you.
It's giving like blonde goddess, sunshine for goddess.
And guys, it's so light and it's so warm. Like literally, first of all, my hands are sweating because I'm in this coat and it's so light. It's like I'm not wearing anything. That's
you
how
don't
light
feel
it
it.
is.
How would you feel if you were wearing your like plastic polyester coat?
Definitely feel something.
You feel like, and you
Yeah.
hear the sound, like, you know, there's that sound that's always rubbing.
Yeah.
You don't hear that here. It's just
Exactly.
the sound of softness.
Exactly.
It's beautiful.
So to our new fur coats.
Cheers. Real friends are the ones who are real friends with you.
Yay!
Cheers. Ora.
Ura! It gives like this cartel vibe.
It's giving a mob wife
Yeah,
aesthetic.
not white. Exactly.
To wrap up this video, we're obviously so ecstatic about our new fur coats.
We-
We have been waiting for this fur coat for like 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Because she sent me a picture on Instagram and she's like, hey, like, I'm thinking of getting a new fur coat. Like, would you like to get a new one? What did you think I was going to say?
Of course, yes.
Obviously, yes. And so we both got it and we've been waiting to film this video. And now that we have it on,
Speechless. Like, that's it. Don't ask me anything.
it's literally hard to
speechless.
continue making this video because I have
Yeah.
no words. I feel like we should just go on and live our best lives with these furs.
Yeah. By the way, I'm thinking about getting more furs, so we can do even more unboxings.
Honestly,
Yeah.
so this is the first time we shop at this place.
Yeah.
And we were both a bit hesitant because I don't really recommend people to buy their first fur coat online. You never know how it's going to turn out. You never know how
Yeah.
the sizing is. Like, if you want to buy your first fur coat, definitely go in person, experience what it's like putting it on, experience, like, do you like the bobcat more? Do you like the silver fox more? Like, there's certain different types of furs and they have a different look. So definitely go in person to try it out before buying anything online. But we took a bit of a gamble.
Yeah.
And we're like, we'll take one for the team. Like, let's check it out. Let's see. And we both already have a taste of what we like for furs. I love my silver fox. You love your bobcat.
Yeah.
So we're like, okay, let's just try it out. I mean, what's the worst that's going to happen? If it didn't fit, like, we can give it to someone else. But it actually came out to be a perfect fit.
Exactly. So my thing was that I'm gonna test this one. If it's good, I'm going for Sobel. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of Slavics, they wear a beautiful full length sable coat. I see that a lot. Is this a thing in like Slavic culture?
Yeah. Slavic people will really like to show what we worth in the way of how we look. So wearing Sobel like that, full length and some gold and stuff like that, that shows that
You're successful.
you mean it.
First of all, it's so soft. I don't have
Oh,
a sable
yeah.
myself. It has
is.
this like softness to it, but on top of the softness, it's also not a thick, heavy fur.
Yeah, so for example, full length, it's really light.
Yeah,
It doesn't give you like the heavy feeling on your shoulder, because if you're gonna try the fox fur full length, you're gonna feel it.
You're
It's
gonna
gonna be
feel it.
really heavy on your shoulders. But sable, it's a different thing. It's like
It's a
really
different-
light. You don't feel it, and it's really warm and it's classy. You can wear it with everything, except if you have a long length jacket, don't drive it in the car.
No.
Take it up.
Yeah,
You'll
that's
destroy
one
it.
thing. My partner actually had a full length Canadian lynx and he trimmed it up, but you cannot drive with it. You don't want it to be dragging around the carpet of your car.
Yeah.
No, that's not the vibe. Should we get our matching sable fur coats?
Yeah, let's go for it.
With a matching hat?
Let's go for it.
I think we should. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're getting yourself a next fur coat, what would you see yourself getting? And also, did you expect us to get these fur coats? What were you thinking? Because I did this thing on Instagram and I asked you guys, what fur coat do you think I'm getting? And a lot of you said chinchilla.
Ooh.
But I got a silver fox because I feel like silver fox is something I don't have enough of.
I'm sorry, guys. It's just I can't stop touching it. It's too much satisfying. Like I see that I'm touching myself nonstop on the video, but I can't stop.
Girl, you think you're touching yourself with the fur? When you go out in public, people are going to be reaching out.
It's like the same if you're seeing a cute puppy.
Yeah,
You wanna touch it.
you want to touch it. Ciao.
Ciao.